In a small, peaceful town tucked between tall mountains, there lived a gentle and thoughtful girl named Mira. She wasn't loud or flashy. Mira wore plain dresses, helped her grandmother carry vegetables from the garden, and spent her evenings reading borrowed books by the soft glow of an old lantern. While other children in her school bragged about their new clothes, gadgets, or trips to the city, Mira stayed quiet. She didn't feel the need to compete. She didn't care about showing off. Some of her classmates would tease her, whispering things like, "You're so quiet, do you even matter?" But Mira didn't let their words hurt her. She had something deeper guiding her, a quiet determination to learn, to grow, and to help. After school, while most kids ran home or played games, Mira would stay back to help the old librarian organize the dusty shelves. On other days, she would sit beneath the shade of a large oak tree and teach two children from the nearby fields, siblings whose parents couldn't afford to send them to school. She did all of this silently, without telling anyone, without expecting anything in return. One day, a team of visitors from the city came to Mira's school. They were looking for one special student who truly deserved a scholarship, financial help for further studies. Excitement buzzed through the classrooms. Student after student stood proudly, listing all their awards, grades, and achievements. One boy even declared loudly, "I should get it, I'm the smartest and everyone knows it." Then it was Mira's turn. She stood calmly, smiled, and said, "I love to learn. If I'm given this opportunity, I'll use it not just for myself, but to help others too." The visitors looked at the principal, who smiled with quiet pride. He spoke about all the good Mira had been doing without anyone noticing. How she stayed after school to help, how she taught the younger children under the oak tree, how she had never once asked for attention or praise. Everyone in the room was silent. Without any big performance or loud claims, Mira was chosen for the scholarship. The town was surprised, not because she had won, but because they had never realized how much she was doing in silence every single day. That day, the people of the town learned something valuable. Real strength doesn't need to shout. True success doesn't come from showing off. It grows like the roots of a tree, deep, quiet, and strong. And when the time is right, it blossoms for the world to see. Morale: don't seek attention. Let your actions and kindness speak louder than your words. Vocabulary words from the story 1. Humble meaning, not proud or boastful, having a modest view of one's importance. Example: even after winning the scholarship, Mira remained humble and thanked everyone quietly. Second tease, meaning to make fun of someone in a playful or unkind way. Example: the other students used to tease Mira for being too quiet. Third, scholarship, meaning money awarded to a student to help pay for their education. Example: Mira was given a scholarship because of her hard work and kindness. Fourth, opportunity, meaning a good chance for progress or success. Example: she promised to use the opportunity to help others learn too. 5. Recognition, meaning being noticed or acknowledged for what you've done. Example: Mira did everything without expecting recognition or praise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.